I think it covers all the bases. I think Bajaj really nailed it this time with this.
It has been boggling my mind ever since morning, and I really want to know how they did it.
पल्सर अपने आप में एक मिसाल है, मतलब हर वर्जन जो है कुछ नया फीलिंग आपको देता है, बट एट द सेम टाइम वो पल्सर वाली फील इसमें रहता है.
As far as ride quality goes, I am shocked because this is unbelievably good. You know, for the average Indian who's going to use the F250 for riding in the city, this is a whole nother level, and I promise you, you are going to be very, very happy.
Very nice exhaust note. It does catch your eye, like when you're looking, and like you do feel like giving it a little rev when you're standing in the signal.
The engine, they've really managed the tractability, which was one of the biggest highlights of the Pulsar.
I think the design has matured compared to the older Pulsar. You look at it, the original one came out, it was brash, it was bold. This one seems to have a higher level of sophistication, it seems to be more premium. Overall, the engine, the NVH, the vibrations, they're there, but they're much, they're subdued. And it's the torque that really impresses, and it comes in and it's there all the way till you hit the red line.
I can't believe that, even when you ride the older Pulsars and you ride this, you're like, what? It's the same family. ये कैसे हुआ? ये क्या किया? Bajaj ने क्या किया है यहाँ पे?
The power delivery is very nice. The performance is, low down performance is good. Low down power delivery is good. Top end is good. It's not suffering anywhere. Handling is spot on.
Kick-ass, radical and sporty, which has always been the hallmark design theme for every Pulsar.
स्लिप असेस क्लच अब आपको फाइनली दे दिया गया है. दैट मीन्स जल्दी आपको शिफ्ट डाउन करने हो तो वो एक उसमें वन नेसेसरी झटका नहीं आता आपको, और बहुत ही स्मूथली सारी चीज़ें हो जाती हैं.
It has the cues from all the latest and the greatest of Bajaj all over the bike. So it's a fresh piece, but it does give the hint of its own family members. But it's a really good thing. You know that you have something fresh, but it also doesn't leave back the legacy of the original Pulsar or the Bajaj heritage.
I like the ride quality, spot on, very nice, very sorted, very comfortable, goes over bumps, goes over potholes, totally love it.
इसमें एक ग्रंट रहता है जब आप चलाते हो. मैं जब अब हाई स्पीड भी कर रहा था, इसमें वाइब्रेशंस नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, स्मूथ है. एट द सेम टाइम वो साउंड आपको फील भी कराता है कि आप एक पल्सर चलाते हो. रॉ फीलिंग है इसमें.
Ride's comfortable. You can feel the softness in the suspension, right? When you go over bumps, there's a decent amount of travel. And even at slow speeds, you can feel that. So yeah, it's
got the lowest in class satellite, which shows that they've thought through this overall thing, and it actually helps for short guys to be comfortable. I see a lot of women riders taking up to this bike.
Very light, very agile, very flickable, throw it into corners and it just takes you along on the ride.
So I think the Pulsar started as a brand that was redefining a lot of stuff when it came in 2001 and then in 2004. We grew up with Pulsars in a sense. But today, I think Pulsar has gone into and become a more mainstream brand rather than being a brand that redefined segments or brought in a new segment. So now it's like for the masses.
इन 20 सालों में पल्सर में बहुत कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज चेंज हुआ है, और ये बहुत अच्छा इवॉल्व्ड प्रोडक्ट है, बट पुरानी वाली बात भी इसमें.
Everyone's going digital nowadays, so looking at the tachometer is really fun when you're going around the track and you're ringing it at 7,000, 8,000 RPM, and then you see it strip down and go up again. So that's something was a real big deal for me.
कंफर्ट पे ये बहुत ज़्यादा ऐड करता है, खास करके जो सीट के कुशन यूज़ किया गया है इज़ नॉट वेरी सॉफ्ट, नॉट वेरी हार्ड. इट्स एक्चुअली जो आपको चाहिए वैसी है. पल्सर इज़ एन इमोशन, राइट? सो उसमें वो पल्सर वाला फीलिंग रहना चाहिए.